how do you identify a second leg of the bull market? You and I know the pop off 74, first leg up off that mess was amazing. And then shock of shocks, I believe it was January of 75, we had a moonshot out 18 months. How do you figure out you're beginning a second leg?
Well, I think there's, in terms of from now to year end and then looking further out, I think we're in a pause period now, but I suspect we'll have a strong fourth quarter for three simple reasons. Number one is what I said is, and Jonathan's actually quoted me on this, which is the pain of being out of the market is going to become more acute as we get in the fourth quarter, knowing that you got to go see clients and report, how they've done relative to the market. That's first. Number two is earnings growth rate is going to inflect from negative year over year to positive later this year. And thirdly, and I don't think this gets enough focus, the amount of money that the government is going to unleash in the CHIPS Act, Infrastructure Act, IRA Act, all coming starting the fourth quarter is huge. And that is going to invert the M2 positive. That's another reason. So all those, I think, will drive the market higher. What I struggle with, and you guys have already touched on this, is how are we going to get back to 2% target, which is what Jerome Powell told us last week he's still targeting, with wage pressures, all this public works spending coming. I just don't see that, and that worries me about next year.
Okay.
But I think for this year, it's a good setup.